Hi, everyone. I hope all's well with you and your families and everyone is staying safe. Um, I wanted to make this quick video to explain the document that you received earlier today. This was the document that was posted on the teenxschools.org website. And this is the required document for this week for Science 7. But I wanted to set it up a little bit differently because some students were reaching out and they had questions. So I wanted to make it as easy as possible. And this is what I set up for you all. So you should have received a document today that looks like this. Go ahead and pause the video. Make sure that it's up on your screen while we're working, so you're able to follow along with me. Okay, so you should have your document up on your screen and it looks like this. Let me just point out some important parts of it. Here, you should have your name and it'll say Science 7, Week 3. Here on the top right corner, I have shared it with you as well as a guardian. So thank you, families, for supporting our students while we're working on our homework. Here you go. We have week 3, day 1. You scroll down all the way down to week 5. We have some writing prompts, and we're going to be writing about science this week. So our first prompt here is about the coronavirus. And it asks us to list and explain 3 ways that you can prepare yourself and your family in the future if something like this ever happened again. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight this for you. This is the prompt that you have to answer. And it has you explaining 3 ways that you can prepare. So if you're having a hard time thinking of 3 ways, that's okay. And you can use the modification assignment that is listed here underneath. Each activity has a modification, which is kind of just a way to change the original activity if you think that you need that. So in the original, it says and explain 3 ways. The modification is listed and explained 2 ways, and that's totally fine. Here is your related resource, which is a New York Times article that links to this prompt. And if you would like additional resources, or if you want to do some more information about it, or if you have free time and you want to do an extension or an enrichment activity, you can go ahead and take a look at the articles that are listed for each prompt. So let's just take a little preview for day 2. Day 2 is about polar bears and endangered species. Your job is to write a letter to President Trump explaining why it's important to protect endangered species. And then your job is outline at least 3 actions that people can take to protect these animals. I'm going to go ahead and highlight it for you here. If you are thinking and having a difficult time coming up with 3, that's okay. You can use the modified assignment, which is outline at least 2 actions that people can take. I expect that you're being creative and trying to think outside the box, and we'll see how it goes. Each of your answers should look like a paragraph. So let's say for the first day, list and explain 3 ways. You're going to have an introduction sentence. You're going to have each of those explanations as your body sentences, and then you're going to have a conclusion sentence for your paragraph. So it shouldn't just be 1 or 2 sentences. You should have a paragraph explanation. Say hi. This is Santino. Hi. Okay. All right. So that should clear up some of the questions that we all had about the assignment for this week. Good luck. Please always feel free to reach out to me, Rossy at teenxschools.org. Thank you. Bye-bye.